what you will see next. I have to tell something before you watch it. It was surreal. I could see things clearly without even the client explaining anything to me. And it was out of the blue. Suddenly, I had these visions. And how do you explain this scientifically? Please tell me.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರ್ಷ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ರಶ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ವೆನ್ ದ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಳಿ ಮದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಏನು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾಳಿ ಮದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಗುಡ್. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇದೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ this year itself, I mean the past year 2025, it's been less than a year, but within the past 1 year, I met with 2 different accidents. Not major, I mean very small minor scratches or something like that happened to me, but both of the vehicles were total. Like I was alone in one of the car accidents. The other one, I had somebody else in the car. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಇದ್ದರು ಎರಡನೇ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಕಾರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಬಟ್ ಬೇರ್ಲಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ it's a miraculous. We both were very thankful in the second one. In the first one also I was very thankful. It was a chain crash, but luckily nothing happened, but vehicles were totally collapsed. So it was interesting that she could see the visions, and that's a good thing, and I thank her and I wish her best of luck.
Now if you want to see the same, so book a call reading with me directly and you'll see the magic. If you are fully in sync with me and my energies, you'll get the same kind of experience every single time. So you could comment below link and my team will send it across, or you can DM us link and we'll send it across.